On Shipman.
And I'm Ciara Speller. The state has designated Holyoke and Granby as extremely high risk when it comes to COVID-19 on their new map.
And 22 News reporter Katrina Kincaid is live in the newsroom tonight to explain this new ranking.
The map is done by cases per 100,000 people in the last 2 weeks, which put both communities into the extremely high risk category.
Holyoke and Granby became 2 of 11 Massachusetts communities on the state's newest COVID-19 map, designating them as extremely high risk. The ranking is based on the number of COVID-19 cases per 100,000 people.
They're trying to use that number as a risk factor of how likely you are to get the infection if you're in that particular town.
Dr. Morales says the high numbers may be from the high number of nursing homes and large shopping centers in both areas. But how will these numbers impact school reopening? The Department of Secondary and Elementary Education recommended to school leaders that any municipality that is designated as extremely high risk red should begin school remotely.
I think they should listen to the scientists and go what they say, because they know. They're doing the research, they have the data. We have our emotions, we have our feelings. When you look at your child, I'm not sitting there, but the scientists, who are you going to trust? That basically comes down to.
Holyoke School Committee did vote to start completely remote, but they're waiting for a final decision from the state.
You look at this, what happened in Georgia, 1,500 kids recalled. So you're going into the same environment. What's going to be the difference here?
The data looks at the numbers of cases over the past 2 weeks.
And the information around why Holyoke and Granby are so high on the list are still being investigated. Working for you, Katrina Kincaid.